Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate your script or use script to video feature on CapCut web version. So all you have to do right now is sign in and register your account and try to log in order to use all the feature, all the service that CapCut provide. So here you can access script to video on the home page. Click it. And here we go, generate video script. You can press hashtag to use AI writer to generate video script or enter a script by yourself. So for example, select a topic and let AI write script for you. For example, games, and you can write your game, for example, a Dragon Age. And highlight, for example, let's start with the expansion. And enter. Let the AI generate your script. And hi there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Dragon Age Origins Awakening and expansion pack to the popular fantasy game so on. So you can use this and click to generate your video. Currently, the audio in the video can only be generated from English scripts. So here you can select the aspect ratio, for example, for YouTube, and use the voice, male or female. So after that, you can generate. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So thanks for watching below. See you in the next video.